Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Cuba eVisa. This helps make the visa process easier because you can do the main steps online before your trip. So first, go to the official Cuba eVisa website and start a new application. Enter your personal details, passport information, and email address carefully. So making sure everything matches your passport exactly. Next, choose the country and Cuban consulate for your application. If needed, you can also add more applicants in the same request. After that, select the available payment method and then continue to review the page. And before submitting, check all the details slowly and make sure that there are no mistakes. So once everything looks correct, complete the CAPTCHA and then send the application. After the submission, wait for the confirmation email. And once the visa is approved, the visa details and codes will be sent to your email. You can also check the visa status on the same website if needed. All right. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.